Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent the Vacmaster. This thing is actually really neat. It's like a little shop vac, but it's completely cordless. So it actually runs off of a battery and charges up right here with this port into a 110. It's got some instructions inside as it comes. Everything is compact. It's got a nice dry filter on here. You've got a wet filter because this can do wet or dry. You've got a nice long hose, some attachments which are nice. You've got your individual short nozzle attachment there for doing detailed work, and you've got your brush. They even give you a way to hang this on the wall, including the hardware and the little top handle here, which is fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing snapped together, just kind of show you real quick here how easy that this thing is to utilize. That is on there. Let's go ahead and put this handle on, get that on there. So now that that handle's on there, we've got that ready to go to get picked up. And I've got my cord here. Again, this is a pretty long cord. We're looking a little over 4 feet long on the cord. And we're going to plug this in the front and get this thing sucking. Now on the top here, you've actually got this 2.5 gallon. It's a 20 volt max, and it's got your little battery indicator. We turn this on. That's going to show it's working. So I got some pet hair here. I mean, that's going to make short work of some pet hair. That has some good suction. But what I'm really impressed about is the fact this is going to work great because it's portable. So let me take it out to the car and kind of show you what I'm going to use it for out there. So now here in the car, I've got this little detail attachment on. And this provides a lot of suction. This is going to make some short work of cleaning, and I'm loving the fact that it's completely cordless. It is also relatively quiet, even using it in a confined space. So thank you guys again for sending it.